You people pain is killing me, I'm dying of pain. That's my way. I'm dying of pain. That's my way, I'm dying. You people help me, I'm dying. Are people here for Mom dying? How would I get any I ever messed up I'm dying. I know you wait for I'm dying. I'm dying, I'm dying. You make me I'm dying. I'm dying. Where's the real people? No, keep going.
Thank you so much. My name is Julius Labeja. I am the mayor of Gulu City. The city is in a somber mood this morning we learned about a fatal accident yesterday around Minakulu, about 10 p.m. in the night. Fortunately, we were able to immediately rally emergency responders on site. We drove to the site, and indeed it was a very horrific accident. We had about 8 ambulances from different entities, including private ambulances, like for instance for the Honorable Betty Awolo Chan, Gulu Regional Referral Hospital, Gulu City Council, Gulu District ambulances, and all fast responders. I want to really appreciate the swift response that took place from our end of things. We managed to rescue and bring casualties to the hospital. This morning we came to get an update from the referral hospital, and right now what is happening is we've resolved that different families who have lost loved ones are beginning to take their bodies to go and process and bury. We have information of 3 foreigners, and that one will take a different process because we need to engage other stakeholders and establish which countries they come from. But for the rest of the people who are Ugandans, we continue to engage the families and plan with them on how best we can support them. But I want to applaud the hospital management, the staff who worked tirelessly last night. We were on site at about 10 p.m. and came back to the hospital about 1 a.m. in the morning, and they did their best. At Lacho Hospital, great response. Most of the casualties were now moved from the emergency into the wards, so which is good work that they did. At the referral hospital, as I speak now, we have 12 people that were pronounced dead. 10 people died on the spot, and 2 succumbed to their injuries while at the hospital. I want to encourage the public to remain sensitive and supportive as they have been. And also we pray for the departed souls to rest in peace.
Thank you. Action.
I am Walter Obiakuun. I'm the Principal Hospital Administrator with the Gulu Regional Referral Hospital. We've had a black and a dark day, the night of 7th of July 2026, where an accident occurred along Kampala Highway, involving a bus and a trailer. As a hospital, in the night we received 10 dead bodies that we kept in our hospital facility, and then also those who came in, we lost 2 in our accident and emergency unit, and that makes the total of the dead, the summation of 12 bodies. Right now, the plan, we have had a meeting this morning with the stakeholders. We're having the bodies taken to various places. They're going to bury them. And of the 12, we have 3 internationals. The Somalis, there are 3 among them. So we're also in touch with their relatives and the owners of the bodies are really taking their bodies. It is really sad, and we pray that the souls of the disease may rest in eternity.
What are the status of those with the casualties, the injuries?
The injuries, there are those who stabilized, and we're optimistic that they'll get better, they're out of danger. Those that managed to come here. In total, I think in Acholi sub-region, we had about 32. We're yet to establish the exact number again. But those in the hospital here, we have now 12 remaining, and they are stable.
And where are others?
Necessary medical attention is being given to them. Others are in facilities like Lacho. We have MC care, and we have also independent. That's where we are.